The Daily Gun Review compares the Glock 19 Gen 5 and Beretta 92X performance with 9 calibers and 15-round magazines. The Glock uses a polymer frame, while the Beretta relies on steel components and crisp ergonomics that aid quick aiming. Usage analysis covers reliability under duty and sport, plus practical maintenance tips like routine cleaning and light lubrication after sessions. Weekend feature shifts to a vintage Colt 1911 chambered in .45 ACP, detailing its heritage, 7 to 8 round magazine, and classic single-action trigger. Visuals include animated cutaways for demonstrations and clean backdrops,